Well, clearly, service in the military carries with it the inherent risk of a serious incident occurring. And that incident can be either the death of somebody or a serious injury to that person. And it's important to understand that that's the reality, and you have to have the ability to prepare for that. Typically, there are three phases of trauma that occurs when a significant event occurs. One is the impact phase. This is the immediate situation that occurs when one is made aware of it or it happens to them. The second phase is the post-disaster phase. And this phase can last for a variable amount of time. And it is a process of accepting what has occurred and beginning the process of dealing with the aftermath. And then there's the recovery phase, when you as an individual have processed all of what has happened, and now you're at a point in time when you need to start putting things together, working through your emotions, and dealing with the reality that is going to be going forward. You have to give yourself time. These things cannot be dealt with or expected to be dealt with in a short period of time. Some of the impact of these events will play out over months, if not years, and they will change one's life. So don't rush your emotions. You need to also verbalize what it is you're feeling. Again, it is a tendency for people to bottle up how they feel about these traumatic events in life. And unless you can get those out and talk with somebody and work through them, it just makes that recovery period all the longer. And we have become increasingly aware of what is known as post-traumatic stress disorder. This is where there are long-lasting effects of traumatic events that come out in unpredictable ways: anger, alcoholism, substance use. And you need to be mindful that, number one, this is a well-known occurrence and that it does happen, and number two, that when you see it starting, that it can be averted if you effectively try to get treatment, talking with people who are professionals to work through how to deal with what is clearly a life-altering event.